I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you solution of this question on application of sequences and series. The question here is, a yeast culture grows by quadrupling its number of cells every hour. There are 1000 yeast cells at 11 a.m. At what time will there be a million cells? We need to write the answer to the nearest minute. So first let us write down our equation. So we initially have 1000 cells at 11 and they are growing at the rate of quadrupling every hour. That means 4 times their original number every hour, right? So we can write this that the amount of cells at any time could be starting with 1000 times 4 times. So we have a geometric series. They get multiplied by 4 every hour. So we can write to the power of n minus 1. So that is the geometric series, right? So you basically start with 1000 cells, right? And next, that is your first term, and the next after an hour, so that is kind of 0 for you. After an hour, it'll be times 4, be 4000. Do you see that? And next hour, it'll be 16,000, right? 16,000. So what you see here is the number gets multiplied by 4 every hour, right? So that is every hour. But as far as the term number goes, we have the first term, let me write down here, first term here as 1000, second term is 4000, third term will be 16,000, right? So this formula, 1000 times 4 to the power of n minus 1 works. If I write 1 here, 1 minus 1 is 0. Anything to the power of 0 is 1. If I write 2 here, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 4 to the power of 1 is 4. 4 times 1000 is 4. So it works, right? So that is how you have to first write down the formula. And now what do we need? We need to find the time when the number of cells are 1 million. 1 million means 1000, right? So we have 1000, 1000. So that is 1 million, right? So we can find n now for 1 million. Now that is an exponential equation. We can now divide this by 1000. So we get 1000 here. We get 1000 equals to 4 to the power of n minus 1. Now to solve this equation is to take log on both sides. So we'll take log on both sides. We say log of 1000 equals to, when you take log, you get n minus 1. That is a power rule. Log of 4, is it okay? And then from here we can write n minus 1 is equals to log of 1000. This is to the base 10, so this will be 3 anyway, divided by log to the base 4, right? So we get n minus 1. And to find n, we can rearrange this equation, right? So from here we can find n. So we can write n as equals to, we'll add 1 on this side, 1 plus log of 1000 divided by log of 4, correct? So we get the value of n. So let us use the calculator and find our answer. So we'll do log of 1000 equals to, divided by log of 4 equals to, and whatever the value we get, we'll add 1 to it. So plus 1. So we get 5.98289. So that is what we get as the value of n, right? So that is in hours. So we have 5 hours and 0.98 something hours, correct? Let us write down this hours in minutes. So we have so many hours. Is it okay? So we can write this as 5 hours plus how many minutes? 0.98289 times 60, right? Minutes. Is it okay? That will give us answer to the nearest minute, right? So we'll write 0.9828 times 60 equals to, in decimals, 58.9 minutes. So that gives us 5 hours plus 59 minutes, okay? So 58.9 minutes can be rounded to 59 minutes. Do you get the point? So since we started at 11 a.m., Now the time should be 11 a.m. plus 5 hours and 59 minutes. Is that okay? So if I add 5 hours, I get 12 a.m. and then 1 p.m. 2, right? So we get 4 p.m. as the time, right? 4 p.m. 59 minutes. So we get, this is as good as saying 4 p.m. and 59 minutes. So the time will be 4:59 p.m., right? So that is how you can answer this particular question, right? So I hope that helps. So look into this question carefully. It seems to be an easy question, very common question in any test paper, but it is not so easy. One thing is how to find n very accurately, right? So here we cannot do guess and check method. We need to apply logarithms and find the answer. Second, we need to convert to minutes and then find exact answer to the nearest minute. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.